You're back with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles, and we just finished up on a prototype of the Suzuki M109 with our own bolt-on bagger kit. So our bagger kit comes complete with a custom fender, extended bags, which will allow you to use any 2014 and up, the single one-touch lids. So any type of speaker lids will go directly on, and they have our own custom unique side access covers to make that transition from the body look seamless. So take a look at it, tell us what you think. So here our side access cover fits directly on with this factory seat, and these are just black quick primered up bags here. So these are our swept bags, and then our custom rear fender. Now these are designed to put any type of rear lighting and license plate light in there, so we give you a blank canvas and there's a lot of options to choose from. Come around to the right side bag and the right side access cover. So it makes it seem real clean. This is a direct bolt-on kit. It comes with our custom mounting bracketry. And then we are working on some relocation pegs, so you'll be able to still continue to passenger. You can see we have a pre-hole there. They'll come out of there and move forward a little bit so your passenger will be comfortable. You're still use of your factory rear seat, front seat. So this is it. This is a direct bolt-on kit to make your Suzuki M109 a bagger. Tell us what you think. This is pre-production, Tricked Out Cycles for all your motorcycle needs.